How are you enjoying your day at the farm? What are you driving? Yeah. Why are we driving the bulldozer?
Because I got the snowmobile stuck.
Asshole. It's a long drive, but we'll make it. Hey, because you got it stuck, you're going to have to pull me out. Yeah. Little Cody got my sled stuck in the big river for his first ride. So we had to use heavy equipment to solve the problem. How old are you?
14.
Is this what every 14-year-old kid does?
Oh.
But they wish to. Whoa! Fucking snow's deep.
Look what we found here.
You might want to go back a bit farther. Go back.
Look at that. Standing in the water.
Some mud. Ugh. Now pull the blade handle. Pull it towards you. Okay. Well, don't pull it when I'm on it. You'll make hamburger out of me, eh? So, hey, as soon as you get up there out of the water, stop. Push it all the way forward. Hi. Okay, go. First time on a sled and first time on a bulldozer. He's only 14. Hey! More than one way to skin a cat. Perfect! Hi. You did it! A master. First timer, eh? Look, it's March break, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it, what's the Wednesday or March break?